right, so when you're a real estate investor like myself, you want to have access to the best data possible, right? That should probably go without saying, but there are certain data points that I would argue often go overlooked by traditional real estate investors, despite being easily available. So what is the data and what is it saying right now? We're going to be diving into this and more in today's video. Stick around. All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I really appreciate you being here. Press that subscribe button if you're not one already. We're about to help you go further, faster financially. You're going to want to watch all the way through to the end. You'll be glad you did. All right, let's start with how things are looking in the housing market, and then we're going to be getting into the data points that I promised at the beginning of the video. Real estate markets across the country right now are undergoing a remarkable shift after experiencing over a decade of seemingly endless growth. The combination of high mortgage rates, making homes unaffordable, and a sluggish sales cycle has really led many homeowners to reduce their initial selling prices in order to attract buyers. Now, of course, this is regional, but Realtor.com reports a 0.9% decline in the median home price, marking the first year-over-year decrease since back in 2017. Although long-term demand is actually expected to remain strong due to years of inadequate construction and low housing inventory. We talk about this often on this channel. Homeowners are gradually losing confidence in their ability to sell at a high price right now, though. And this is where key data points can give us some much needed additional insight into the state of things. And that data point is simply, what are people Googling? We all have access to this data, folks. It's super easy to see just what homeowners and potential home buyers are thinking by doing a bit of investigative work. Let's dive into an example here. Amy Nixon, who's a real estate and housing agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, shared a summary of the most common searches that have been made by U.S. homeowners on Google over the past month. And while the top search was related to a mortgage company called Penny Mac, there has been a growing trend in searches like Sell My House Fast Phoenix and Sell My House Fast Arlington. In many markets, another notable breakout question on Google is, can I sell my house if it is in foreclosure? Foreclosure numbers, as reported by real estate data company Adam, started rising after reaching record lows back in 2021. In April of 2023, the number of homes that were seized by lenders increased by 14% compared to the previous year. There has also been a significant 500% increase in searches that have been related to securing a home equity loan, along with inquiries about borrowing against one's home with bad credit, or in specific states and in specific cities. In Texas, for example, searches for best home equity loans have risen by 300%. It's important to note that the numbers do vary significantly across different markets and in different geographical locations, and they may reflect fears rather than the actual state of the economy. In particular, the South is still witnessing home price increases at rates similar to years ago, while cities like San Francisco and Las Vegas experience substantial drops, which many experts see as a stabilization after a period of excessive growth that did not align with actual demand in those areas. Various real estate experts and associations present different predictions for the future. Fannie Mae and the National Association of Realtors anticipate a median home price decline ranging from 1.2% to 1.8% in 2023, while CoreLogic, a property intelligence firm, they expect an increase in values. Nevertheless, all parties agree that any declines will be temporary. Given the growing population and insufficient housing supply in the United States, it's inevitable prices are going to go back up eventually. Affordability is not expected to improve significantly since the small price drops are really being offset by mortgage rate increases, and that's deterring many potential buyers. In a recent statement, Bankrate Chief Financial Officer Greg McBride actually stated the housing market will be tepid in 2023 with only lukewarm demand and a limited amount of inventory available for sale. But mortgage rates could decrease significantly if inflation pressures ease back a bit. So the key data point of understanding what people are Googling as real estate investors is crucial to understand what people are thinking. And consumers drive the market, folks. By getting insight into what people are searching for on Google, we're actually able to forecast a variety of different things to come. And if a lot of folks are searching for info on what to do when your house is in foreclosure, then it's likely that we're going to see an uptick in foreclosures in that area. If we see an uptick in folks that are searching for resources to sell their home quickly in a certain area, then we can target those areas with potential solutions like Subject To. Subject To is a really great real estate strategy that we've gone into detail on in previous videos. I'll make sure I link that in the description for you guys below if you want to check that out. But all that being said, I am curious if you've utilized Google data to determine how you approach either your real estate investing goals or your business development goals. Let us know in the comments below if that's been a resource you've relied on as well in order to get into the minds of us consumers out there. And as I've said on countless videos before, I tend to learn a lot from you guys. So be sure to spread the love here in the comments section. Tell me what you know and tell me where you got the info from. I want to keep today's video short, but if you'd like me to dive deeper into using Google search data as a resource for real estate investing or business development, make sure you let me know by liking this video and leave a comment saying more please in the comments. And want to thank you for watching today's video and all of our videos. And don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on, of course, so you get alerted every time we upload videos to help you go further, faster, financially, and most importantly, keep on cash flowing. See you soon.